this particular video we are starting off from the section on which we left on the other video. So in this example we are creating three different ellipses which has got a circle cx of 240, cy of 100, rx 220 and 320. So we would be decreasing the size of the ellipse as we go up. So we have created three different ellipses, as you can see, and we have given it the color as well. So, and that appears pretty cool here. Now as you can see, the code remains same. It's just the size and the fill which you apply, and that makes it so beautiful here. And in this particular example we haven't created one single ellipse, but in that regard we have created two different ellipses, and we have given a fill of white to the internal ellipse and yellow to the outer ellipse, and it looks like a solar system. It looks like an orbit of the Jupiter. So that's pretty cool. So we can create any, whatever you can imagine your creativity level is, you would be able to create a good vector graphics using the SVG. SVG is such important thing. Alright, now we will be moving to SVG line element. So a line element is used to create a line, and the codes would be, as we know, for a line we require x1, y1 and x2 and y2 coordinates for a straight line, and the formula y equals to mc for straight line. So we would be using that formula here, and as we can see we have created a line element. We have given an x1 coordinate and a y1 coordinate, that is 0 0, that is a starting point of the line. So x1 and y1 denotes the starting point of the line, wherein x2 and y2 denotes the ending point of the line. A line is interjoined between the 2 points. So we can see that a line which starts from x1 0 x1 y1, which is at 0 0 coordinate, it ends at 200 200 coordinates. So it's a 200 pixel long length, and we have given it a stroke, that is the color of the line as red, and we have given it a stroke width of 2, that is it is 2 pixels broadened. So, and that looks pretty cool here. We will try and we'll see line in more detail now. In case if you want to create a line in a different sloppy way, we would be able to do this. This particular video represents the slope of the line. If we can give it a try, we can try to modify the code, and we would be able to create much simpler and much flex design as well. We would be able to create, by interjoining various lines, you would be able to create a rectangle or a house or anything. So if you want to give a try, let's give a try to something here in this particular video. Okay, we will try to tweak the line now. We will try to change the coordinates and we'll see how does it checks. We'll try to make it 300 so it will be more sloppier than what it is at the moment. We'll click on run to see the changes. So so the line is now 300 slopey the line. We will try to change the x and y coordinates from 10, and we'll also increase the y coordinate, and we will see the changes then in the line. So you can see it's not starting from 2 or from 0 0, it's now starting from 10. Similarly we can make it 100 and we can see the changes then. So it's now starting from 100, it's ending on 300. What we can do is we can add one more line here, which is starting from a different particular section of the screen. As we can see, the screen is divided between 500 and 210 pixels. It's a 510 into 210, 500 into 210 big pixel. So we'll be doing here, and we'll try to cross the screen here. As if it's a 10, we would be able to make the y coordinate as, we will shift the x coordinate to 200, and we will try to make y coordinate, we'll keep the y coordinates on 100, and we will try to see if that crosses this line. And we will also try to move this to 10, and we will see that what it does. Alright, so now we had be able to make a cross because we have done what we did is we have made the x1 coordinate for the second line at 200 and y1 coordinate at 100. That is the height or height from where the line starts remain the same, just the x coordinate changes the location of the it changes the location of the starting point of the line in x direction. And moreover, we have changed the x2, the ending point of the line, as 10, that it will end towards the left and it will start and the y coordinate would remain the same. So this looks pretty much simpler, and it's a cross. So you can experiment many things with this SVG. SVG is just a cool and playful as well. Even if you're not a pro developer, you just want to give it as a hobby try, you would be able to run it. This is pretty simple. So keep watching my videos. We would be able to back with the next video with the polygon, and we'll cover much more about it. Once we are done with all the SVG shapes, we would be able to draw a beautiful scenery as you used to draw in your notebook or in your drawing book when you were children. So we will be back. Please like, comment, subscribe, and put in your suggestion as in comment so that we will be able to know about it. Thank you.